Hello, my lovers. Hello, my friends. ah, Today I feel so musical. All these music things are floating in my mind. Okay, so this poem I'm reading you today is on page 119, Love of Words. Oh, do I love words? And I came to love words because of their expansiveness. Remember that verse that says, out of the abundance of your heart, your mouth will speak. And what are you speaking? You're speaking words. And so words are very tantalizing. They are creative, they have an energy, they have a vibe. So usually we consider it a tone. When you use a certain tone, some tones are compassionate, some tones are hostile, some tones are indifferent, but there is a power. Words do create our reality. That's a universal law. And words have consequences and repercussions. So if you see your life is going a certain way that you don't like, watch your words. Observe your words. You'll be surprised that maybe you're destroying the same thing you're trying to create. Mm? Because words are empowering. And also remember, the the one who serves the words is the first receiver of their consequence. If you're speaking negative, before the negativity shoots to someone else, it has to get you. Yes, that is just the way it works. So serve life giving words, share life giving words. Anyway, this poem goes, love of words. I love the expansiveness of words. They are a rhythm to my soul. Quench my thirst like living water. Glide into the essence of my very being, penetrating to bone and marrow. Words have a living vibration, dismantling walls built by a hurting world, nourishing the garden of the mind to retrieve sleeping treasures. Words, so limited in the universal context, yet, when programmed, a trigger for activation, birthing a new world within, awaking sleeping giants to the truth. Words can be seen, spoken, felt, and touched with the higher mind, a catalyst of remembrance of who you were and whose you are. Words, a gift from the cosmos to earth, where expression is limited in a world so dense in matter. Words, a bridge between heart and physicality. That is words for you. So watch your words, give life giving words, and they will serve you well. You'll be blessed. All right, it's Keroy here. Talk to you soon. Bye.